signing off.
Akieria thutha wa icera riake kiharo-ini gia Kipchoge Stadium mwena wa Eldoret, Minister wa mathako Ababu Namwamba nionanirie kwaga kuiganira gwake ni gwako kahora gwa kiharo giki guku akiheana notithi kuri mwene kandarathi ino kuhanyukia waki uyu.
I am extremely, absolutely 100% disappointed by what Kipchoge Keino looks like here in Eldoret. I'm going to return to Uasin Gishu to do a more in-depth tour of the facilities here, and we are putting all contractors on notice, even those who have claims, so-called claims. There are no claims that really should be considered. So what claim would you have to be paid when you have something looking like this? And therefore we are putting everybody on notice. It is no longer business as usual, it is now business unusual.
Namwamba nioritie honge cia uthuthuria gwika mituki niguo kumenya muigana wa kigina kiria kihuthikite gwaka iharo ciothe guku bururi-ini.
While visiting Kinoru Stadium 2 weeks ago, I ordered an audit of all these facilities. The state of Kipchoge Keino right now tells me that audit is even more urgent. And at the conclusion of that audit, we are going to know exactly how much money was spent on a facility like this. And why does it look like this? And why is a contractor not alive here on this site? And then we are going to announce a plan on what to do with all these facilities. Obviously, this is a case of mismanagement, and this could just be the face of corruption and misuse of public resources.
Governor wa Uasin Gishu Jonathan B mwena-ini wake augete ati gucererwo kwa waki wa kiharo giki ni uimite athaki mweke wa gutafania mbitika itiganite uko mbeca cia muingi ikiurira thi.
For every project to start, it has a plan to complete. So I think like Wasiri has said, we will plan and we have to start again because we can't wait anymore. Now that we are in government and we have the right CS and the right president and the right governor, we are going to embark on this as a priority. But the state of things here are not good. I think the contractor should be answerable because if we don't do a serious audit, some wastage is sure that it has been done here, and we really need to be very careful. Thank you very much.
Hado-ini ha Kameme iharo-ini Geto Mwagi Ifurahemu.